Hello children, now here another writing pattern. Now earlier we drew short wave lines. Now here long wave lines. Starting from this dot here, tracing the first line here. Using another color, tracing on the same one, writing on top of it, and here another color, right? We are going to the next one. Here dotted line, tracing it, tracing wave long line, using another color here. After tracing, we can draw alone. Then your hand is used to that here. Long wave lines. So many times you can draw and learn before writing alone. Now writing alone. Long wave line. Right? These different colors. Here another wave, long wave line. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.